Welcome to RICOH booth at ISE 2020. I'm Shinobu Kodama from RICOH Company Limited. I'd like to introduce our new service, RICOH Interactive Whiteboard add-on service for Office 365, which works on our flat panel display and collaborating with Microsoft Office. So let me demonstrate it on the screens. What you have to do first is just swipe your IC card over the card reader and it connects to your Office 365 account. Then it reads my Outlook calendar and suggests me the meeting which I have on this time slot. This meeting is set as a Teams meeting, so let me show you how to start Teams meeting on the screen. Once you press the OK button, then Teams application comes up. Then what you have to do is press just Join Now button. Then you can join the meeting immediately. But collaboration is not only for Microsoft Teams. I have also OneDrive connection. If you want something you want to show on the screen, you can import the file from your OneDrive. This is my OneDrive folder, and you can choose a file like this and import it. Because this is whiteboard, you can annotate on it. So after annotation, if you want to save the file with annotation, you can save it on your OneDrive in the same way. In this way, you don't have to bring your laptop to a meeting room, so it enables you PC-free meeting. Lastly, at the end of the meeting, I want to share the material with my attendees. So what you can do is send email. All the attendees already preset as a recipient, so what you have to do is just press OK button. Then email has been sent. Thank you for watching. For more details, please visit ricoh.com website.